So what? You've been thinking about dying lately. Let's talk life insurance, term versus whole life, and what the difference is. Not gonna lie, you don't want to use life insurance because that means you or a loved one has passed away, but it's basically a contract you enter into with an insurance company that pays a lump sum of money to the beneficiary of whoever the life insurance contract was for. There's two main types of life insurance, term life insurance or whole life. And we're going to talk about the differences between some of those. So just like it sounds, term life insurance is only for a term period, typically between 10 and 30 years. So I am 28, I buy a 10-year policy. It expires when I'm 38. Hopefully I didn't die by then, we'll see. But it is a cheaper form of insurance because it's only for a certain time period of your life. Whole life is for your whole life. Makes sense. You will actually get a death benefit on this because you'll pay for the insurance policy until you die. You can also build a cash value in this policy. You can take loans on that or withdrawals on it, but there is a guaranteed death benefit on whole life versus term has an end date. Just using broad stroke averages here, a average 20-year policy for a $500,000 coverage, 40-year-old is about $23 for a female or $27 for a male. Varies widely, but just an average. For whole life, we went backwards to 30-year-old non-smoker in good health, and their policy on average might be around $440 a month. Again, this is gonna vary a ton, but whole life overall is gonna be way more expensive than term because you're guaranteed a benefit. So should you use term life insurance or whole life? Well, for me, we use term insurance. Now again, it's preference based, but it's cheaper, has an end date, so I don't have to pay it for my whole life. And with whole life being so much more expensive, I just choose to invest the difference on my own. I know there's cash value and all that stuff with whole life, but if you invest on your own, typically you outpace whatever they invest in. But that's just me. Term versus whole life. Hopefully that makes sense overall. Chris Lee, Everyday Finance, talking about life insurance. I'm alive talking to you about it, which is nice. And I will see you in the next one.